Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. Creating data diagrams from process control description. Objective, the keywords, the major steps, an industrial situation. Flowchart a process, a sequence of operational steps. Objectives. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to create basic ladder diagrams from a sequence of operational steps. List the major steps in creating a PLC program for an industrial situation. Describe the content of each of these steps. Flowchart a process. Introduction. The keywords. Planning without action is a waste of time and money. Action without planning creates chaos. Context. To create good, workable, safe PLC programs. Planning without action is a waste of time and money. And action without planning creates chaos. The purpose of this chapter is to outline some of the planning needed to create good, workable, safe PLC programs without chaos. This chapter is written in Relay Logic. The principles are readily converted to PLC programs as described in Chapter 5 for contact and coils. Ladder diagrams and the sequence listing. The keywords. Cross identification. Single switch. Pilot light. Straight through sequence. Elementary diagram or line diagrams. The control ladder diagram and the power ladder diagram. A note. Duplicate note numbers. Coils, pilot light, switches, contacts. A unique identification number. A dotted line. Ladder diagrams are the most commonly used diagrams for non-electronic control circuits. They are sometimes called elementary diagrams or line diagrams. The term ladder diagram is used in this book. Why are these diagrams called ladder diagrams? They look like a ladder in a way. You start at the top of the ladder and generally work your way down. Two types of ladder diagrams are used in control systems. The control ladder diagram and the power ladder diagram. Figure 7.1 shows two basic control ladder diagrams. The first one is a single switch that turns a relay output, control relay phi, on and off. This picture shows the basic control ladder diagram. The second is a single function diagram with parallel line for control and parallel lines for output. Either or both of two switches turn the output and a pilot on. A node is a connection point for two or more devices, such as switches, coils, pilot lights, and other electrical devices. You may arbitrarily use any numbering or lettering system you choose. Precaution: do not duplicate node numbers or letters in a given program. Do not assign numbers or letters to different parts of a single node. A node goes to all points commonly connected. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Course Facebook. Just do the online quiz, and see you next time.